So now we'll see the difference between nitrocellulose membrane versus PVDF membrane. Nitrocellulose membrane is brittle and fragile, whereas PVDF membrane is physically durable. Nitrocellulose membrane is difficult to strip and reprobe, whereas PVDF membrane is easy to strip and reprobe due to higher hydrophobicity. Nitrocellulose membrane is not chemically resistant, whereas this PVDF membrane is chemically resistant. Nitrocellulose membrane has comparatively low sensitivity, whereas PVDF membrane is high sensitivity due to its higher binding capacity. Proteins that bind through nitrocellulose membranes are by hydrophobic interactions, whereas for the PVDF membrane, these proteins bind by both hydrophobic and dipole interactions. Nitrocellulose membranes produces lower background due to its less sensitivity, whereas PVDF membrane has a higher background due to its greater sensitivity in the detection of proteins with lower expression. Nitrocellulose membranes are used for low molecular weight proteins, whereas PVDF membranes are used for higher molecular weight proteins. Nitrocellulose membrane is used for analysis of nucleic acids with less than 300 base pairs or amino acid analysis and dot or slot plotting, whereas PVDF membrane is used in protein sequencing, amino acid analysis, and solid phase assay system. Nitrocellulose membrane does not require SDS in the transfer buffer, which enhances the binding of low molecular weight proteins and helps prevent the over transfer of proteins through the membrane. Whereas in this PVDF membrane, SDS enhances the binding efficiency of proteins. Nitrocellulose membrane has comparatively low protein binding capacity, that is around 80 to 100 microgram per centimeter square, whereas this PVDF membrane has high protein binding capacity which is around 170 to 200 microgram per centimeter square. This nitrocellulose membrane is a sticky membrane and used for immobilization of proteins in western blot, whereas PVDF membrane is used for protein transfer with high binding capacity. So these are the differences between nitrocellulose and PVDF membrane in terms of so many things like their nature, their stripping ability, their resistance to chemicals, their sensitivity, their binding interactions with the proteins, also how their sensitivity produces background or not, their use particularly for the separation of what, or whether they require SDS or not, or their stickiness, or so many things.